This is how we do it. Ready to fuel up. This is day 3 on our delivery trip. Well, on our return trip now back to Georgetown. Right? So, stopping to fuel up at the crossing. Before the crossing at Shirima, we're gonna stop at the creek, clean the trucks up, take a bath. Just look at that. Listen to the water. Listen to the flow of the water. Look at the richness of this. The beauty. Wow. This is what we call a creek. Running from the rainforest. Wow. We just crossed the Itabali crossing. Now we head into the Shirima crossing. We're gonna miss that, so I'm gonna be sleeping in a hammock again for night number 4. Look at that. Awesome. In the middle of the rainforest in Guyana. Global exchange experience. Can't beat it. Nowhere else. Wow. Yeah, bro, you want to say something?
Yeah. Just so you know, check us out. Just came over from Itabali. Baddest, listen to me. The baddest chick on Itabali. She cooks for us. By the way, it's a charge. Anyhow, this message is for you, baby. I'm here, Mr. Richard Adams, the one and only Global Exchange. I'm inviting you out. I want to take you out.
Wow, that's cool, bro. That's it.
I'm taking you around the world, baby. I'm taking you places. I'm taking you places. In your eyes, I see a rock, a big rock.
This is not
ice on that finger. You can skate on that.
This is
big ice on your finger.
This is not the dating game, bro. This is what you get in the middle of the rainforest. Guys just kicks it, man. I'm loving the experience. Every moment of it. It's awesome. By the way, the food was great. She had curry chicken and I had okra and shrimp. White rice. Damn. I need to see Jenny Craig after this. Awesome. Delvin Adams, Global Exchange Trucking Service. Visit the website, like the Facebook page, tell us what you think. Boom.